In this lesson, we will explore a hidden tab in PowerPoint 365, related specifically to working with images. This feature is essential when editing or customizing pictures within your presentation. When you insert an image into a PowerPoint slide and then click on that image, you will notice that a new tab appears on the ribbon. This tab is called Picture Format. It only becomes visible when an image is actively selected. The Picture Format tab allows you to perform several tasks to modify the appearance of your image. You can resize the image to fit your slide layout, adjust the brightness and contrast, or apply color corrections and artistic effects to match the theme or tone of your presentation. These tools give you a great deal of control over how images support your visual content. However, it's important to note that the Picture Format tab will disappear from the toolbar as soon as you click outside the image or deselect it. This is because the tab is context sensitive. It only appears when it's relevant to the selected object. Understanding how and when this tab is triggered will help you work more efficiently in PowerPoint. Make sure to select the image whenever you need access to those editing options. This approach ensures that you can always fine-tune your visuals exactly as needed. This concludes our focus guide on how to activate and use the Picture Format tab in PowerPoint 365.